Each intercostal space is supplied by three arteries: a large posterior intercostal artery and its collateral branch, and a small pair of anterior intercostal arteries. The posterior intercostal arteries are the direct branches of thoracic aorta. They enter the intercostal spaces together with the intercostal nerves and run along the subcostal grooves. Each posterior intercostal artery gives rise to the small collateral branch, which descends toward the upper margin of the rib below and goes forward along it. The lowest two posterior intercostal arteries do not enter the intercostal spaces. That's why they are called subcostal arteries. The anterior intercostal arteries are the branches of the internal thoracic artery, which arises from the first division of the subclavian artery and descends along each side of the sternum. The terminal branches of internal thoracic artery are the superior epigastric and musculophrenic arteries, supplying the abdominal muscles and diaphragm respectively. The first and second intercostal spaces are supplied by the superior intercostal artery, also known as highest intercostal artery. It begins from the costal cervical trunk of subclavian and gives off first and second posterior intercostal arteries. The veins of the thoracic wall accompany the intercostal arteries and nerves and lie most superior in the costal grooves. These are 11 posterior intercostal veins and 1 subcostal vein on each side. The posterior intercostal veins anastomose with the anterior intercostal veins, tributaries of the internal thoracic veins. Most posterior intercostal veins end in the azygous and hemiazygous venous system, which conveys venous blood to the superior vena cava.